What if you can click copy a video and make $50 to $300 in a blink of an eye? And the best thing about this is that you can do this as many times as you like and continue to make hundreds of dollars in just a few minutes. We know it sounds crazy, but look at all of these payments already made by our platform for today. Everyone from absolutely everywhere around the world has been making real money from our method for today. And after today's video, you're going to be one of them. With one click, you can get paid $50. And when you do 10 clicks, you can earn up to $500. It's insanely easy and the most perfect strategy for beginners who want to start making money online. Now, this method is 100% free, so you won't be made to invest anything or pay for anything. Imagine having an extra $500 paid straight into your account. Imagine how your life would be. Maybe you can get a new house, a new car, go on a luxury vacation, buy yourself or your loved ones a present, maybe pay off your debt, or save that money. You can do literally anything. Make sure that you watch this entire video until the very last second of it to know everything that you need to know and to come out successful with today's method. Hey y'all, it's Digital Money Queen here. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And if it's not your first time, then welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of the family and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time I have a new video up and ready for you. Don't forget to like this video and let's jump right into it. First of all, we want you to take a look at this Facebook video right here. And with these videos, you're going to make a lot of money online. Now, we want you to go on this website called MotionDen, and to get to their website, just type in motionden.com. And I've talked about this website before, probably, so if you've been a subscriber for a quite long time now, you're probably already familiar with this website and what it does. But if you aren't, then we'll give you a quick rundown of it. So basically, MotionDen is an online video maker. So you can make videos on here and it basically does all of the work for you already. This is what this website is supposed to do. So help you create videos like the videos you see on Facebook. So not only is today's video an awesome new video copy pasting strategy, we're also going to introduce to you a brand new Facebook strategy as well. And we've used Facebook for a couple of times too, so we know that you guys are going to very much enjoy all of this. Anyway, what you want to do on MotionDen is sign up. So click on Get Started right here. And as you can see, you can continue with Google or Facebook or just with your email. And we're just going to choose to sign up with our email. And then you'll be asked to fill this up. Fill up your first name, your last name, your email address, and password, and then hit sign up. So right now, you should find yourself inside your account, and right away, you'll see all of the video templates that this website has prepared for you. So whatever it is you're looking for, it will be right here. As you can see, there are 3 template categories that you can choose from: standard, industry, and seasonal. Under standard, you have ads, intro, outro, events, promo, and communications. Under industry, you have all of this, and it's a lot, as you can see. And then under seasonal, you obviously have all of the holidays under here. So it's crazy. You can even make videos according to seasons, which I think is pretty awesome. Now, I want you to look over here and then select on like the Facebook logo. So this area, all templates already are made according to the Facebook standards or size, and you can still choose from any of the categories if there's anything that you want to make in particular. So there's instant Facebook video templates, Choose from over 78 free Facebook video templates available for instant customization and download. To the newcomers, where are y'all from? I would love to know. Comment it down below so I can use it as reference for my future videos as well. Now let's continue. So let's get into a real life example here. So for example, we're going to choose this template right here. And as soon as you click it, you're going to see like a preview. And as you can see, it's very nicely made and looks like it was made by a professional, which is exactly what we want. So just click on edit this video and then boom, you can proceed to editing your video. So you can change text just like this, add audio and some variants just like that. Really do anything that you'd like to do. Once you feel like you've done enough or you want or what you've wanted to do and you think it's set, you can go ahead and just click on make video right here. So once again, you can use this website to create videos that would look like it was made professionally. Now we want you to go to our second website, which is called quickandgigs.com. And I think we've also talked about this before, I'm not entirely sure, but it was for a different strategy. So in this video though, we're gonna show you how you can use this website in particular by making great money from video and animation. So just click on video and animation right here, and then you'll be brought to this page where you'll see all of the people posting their listings, their job listings about video animation. And what we want you to do is look at the left side of your screen and look for short video ads and click on that. Look at all of the people earning $550, $270, $250, and so on. And pretty soon, you're gonna start earning money just like this. This is how much people are earning just by creating Facebook videos, and that's how much we're going to start earning by using Motion Den to complete the Facebook videos. If you're liking this video so far, then I suggest that you give me a 2 thumbs up before the video ends later on so that I'll know you reached this part of the video. And subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to join the family. Now let's get back into the video. So you're then going to sign up for a completely free account and click register. Then this will pop out, so fill up your username, email, password twice, your phone number and country you're from, then company name, which is optional, then register, and boom, you officially have a Quick and Gigs account just like that. You can immediately start posting your job listing, wait till people avail your service. Create bomb Facebook videos in Motion Den, literally just copy pasting and boom, $300, there you have it, into your PayPal account. So make sure that you try this out. Let me know in the comments down below how it goes for you. Tell me if you guys had such a super duper fun time. Comment down below what video you'd like to see next. Help us get to 2,000 subscribers. Let's go, let's do it. And that is basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's video because I definitely enjoyed discovering and creating it. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before clicking off because my next video is going to be awesome and you wouldn't want to miss that. Please give me 2 thumbs up to show me your love and hit the bell button so that you'll be kept up to date. Love y'all. See you in the next one.